Guys, not all peptides are created equal. You see, peptides are a hot topic, and many of you are considering using peptides and just don't know how, and other of you are already using peptides and buying it from God knows where. So today, I'm here to nudge you guys in the right direction. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Marcos de Andrade, affectionately known as Dr. D. I am the CEO and founder of Biohax, a 50-state licensed telehealth company founded in the heart of Miami, located in the Miami Design District here in Florida. And guys, we've been using peptides amongst many other therapies in the performance and longevity medicine for years. Our clinic and 50-state platform makes use of functional medicine doctors that are specialists in different areas such as internal medicine, family medicine, cardiology, neurology, endocrinology, and the list goes on. And our clinicians have ample experience for years using peptides not only for performance enhancement, but also for longevity and for very, very sick patients. And you see, what's gotten me upset over time is to see your favorite influencer, your favorite chiropractic doctor, or regular Joe Schmo on the internet get into peptides, ChatGPT a bunch of information, and lead you to their website where they're getting kickbacks, but they don't even know the harms that they can be doing. So if you allow me the next few moments, I want to educate you on peptides. I want to give you deep education on peptides. Guys, I founded this company. I work with some of the top people in the peptide industry. I've worked with some of your favorite high-performance individuals, movie stars, singers, athletes, Fortune 500 CEOs. They all use peptides, all of them. Everybody that you see at top performance, they've known of peptides years ago. You know, when things hit the mass population, it already hit the elite a long time ago. And guess who was servicing and is servicing the elite? You name it, your friend over here. So listen to me for a second. So medical grade peptides made in FDA-inspected compounding pharmacies are made under CGMP, which stands for Current Good Manufacturing Practices. They're also accompanied by certificates of analysis, which show purity up to 99%. A certificate of analysis is like when you buy a nice watch or jewelry. It'll have a certificate certifying that it's original and authentic. So each batch is traceable with documentation of every ingredient and supplier. Now, research peptides are often manufactured overseas, primarily in unregulated Chinese or Eastern European labs. No FDA oversight, no sterility testing, and no chain of custody. And they're labeled not for human consumption to skirt legal responsibility, which means you assume all the risk. If it says for research only, it means you're the experiment. You're the guinea pig. Now, what can go wrong as it relates to purity and contamination risks? What can go wrong with these unregulated peptides? Well, bacterial or fungal contamination due to lack of sterile conditions, or you can also have endotoxin contamination causing severe fevers, inflammation, or even immune overactivation. We also see sometimes mislabeling or misformulation, meaning products often contain incorrect amino acid sequences or wrong dosages. And guys, you don't want to put a protein or a peptide with the wrong amino acid sequence because your body will just attack it. See, residual solvents and heavy metals from unclean synthesis or improper purification is also seen. Or sometimes we see peptide degradation, meaning there's no stability testing, or they're stored poorly, or there's improper refrigeration, thus they're not potent. Guys, a 2021 analysis found that over 70% of research peptides tested failed purity standards, and some contained zero active peptide. See, when you get this stuff from a proper pharmacy through your clinician, pharmacy peptides are verified for exact structure via HPLC, high liquid performance chromatography, or mass spectrometry. They're produced in sterile vials designed for human injection or sublingual use, consistent from batch to batch, so dosing and results are predictable. Now, research peptides, there's no guarantee of potency. Sometimes your vial will say 5 milligrams, but heck, it may have 1 or 0 of active substance. Or it just might come with a little gift. It may contain some toxic byproducts from incomplete synthesis, or unknown shelf life degradation can lead to unintended immune reactions, guys. Your immune system can literally wake up in a bad way and attack itself because of what you're putting in your body. See, you would never inject a random liquid from a mystery lab, would you? Yet that's exactly what people do when they buy research peptides. Guys, you're trusting a random label that says whatever it says. What if there's not that exact liquid in there and there's a bunch of problems coming with it? See, medical providers are bound by law to use regulated pharmacies. Research peptides bypass the entire safety framework, meaning no liability protection and no recourse if something goes wrong. Selling or administering these products outside of medical oversight can be considered a big problem. See, we use the same sources that America's longevity doctors trust for hormone replacement, IV nutrition, and longevity in sports medicine, not websites that ship unverified chemicals in the mail. Every peptide we prescribe comes from a licensed US-based compounding pharmacy, not a mystery lab. Our products are verified, tested, and traceable with certificates of analysis available for every single batch. If it says for research use only, it means you are the mouse in the experiment. This isn't a gray market gamble. This is precision medicine delivered safely.